Ever wonder what your brain does while you sleep? It's like a night janitor cleaning up. A new study from China shows how sleep helps our brains enter repair mode. It cleans up free radicals, those pesky particles that can cause damage. This discovery could lead to therapies for sleep disorders, especially for older adults. So next time you think of skipping sleep, remember, your brain needs its cleaning time. Nominate now for the prestigious China Scientist Award. Visit chinascientist.net today. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and event highlights.